How to fix TikTok message this sound doesn't license for commercial use. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok this sound doesn't license for our commercial use. All you need to do is click on TikTok. So since 2020 TikTok doesn't accept any music you want. So if TikTok sends you the message that says this sound doesn't license for our commercial use, that means your video will be muted or they're gonna delete your video. Now let's say they delete your video. All you need to do is upload the video again, but with these steps. Now click on upload and choose the video. All I need to do is click on sound and choose a random music. Now all I need to do is click on volume and muted the added sound, and now edit the original sound like you want. Click on done and next, and now you can post the video with the original sound. So this is it guys. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.